How to prevent people from downloading your TikTok videos. To start out, go to your profile page. Then, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, under the Account section, tap on Privacy. Has the picture of the lock next to it. Scroll down to the Interactions section. From here, about halfway down, tap on Downloads. Now, if you don't want people to be able to download your videos, toggle video downloads to off. Now, when they tap on the share icon on a TikTok video and they try to go to download it, the icon will not be there. Note, however, that people can still screen record, and there are websites that allow people to download videos based on the link, so it's not technically possible to prevent downloads entirely, but this will at least make it harder. That's it. Before you go, check this out.